Hey, welcome back. Okay. But okay, we started the last video. We talk about that letter. Okay. In that letter, we talk about the tablets, five tablets, and today we talk about the one tablet. Sorry, sorry. I have a cough in my neck. Okay. So start without wasting any time. Let's start. Now, when the moon become full, I Rabasar, who am but recently returned from slavery in Syria with the determination to pay my many just debts and become a man of means worthy of respect in okay just debts becomes a man of means worthy of respect in my native city of Babylon. Do here engrave upon the clay a permanent record of my affairs to guide and assist me in carrying through my high desires. Under the wise advice of my good friend Mathan, the gold lender, I am determined to follow an exact plan that he doth say will lead any honorable man of out of depth into means and self-respect. This plan includes three purposes which are my hope and desire. First, the plan doth provide for my future prosperity. Therefore, one tenth of all I earn shall be set aside as my own to keep. For Marathon speaketh wisely when he saith that man who kept in his purse both gold and silver that he need not spend is good to his family and loyal to his king. The man who had but a few coppers in his purse is different to his family and indifferent to his king. But the man who had not in his purse is kind to his family and is disloyal to his king, for his own heart is bitter. Therefore, the man who wished to achieve must have coil that he may keep to jingle in his purse, that he have in his heart love for his family and loyalty to his king. Second, the plan does provide that I shall support and clothe my good wife who had returned to me with loyalty from the house of her father. For Mathon doth say that to take good care of a faithful wife putteth self-respect into the heart of a man, and addeth strength and determination to his purposes. Therefore, 7/10 of all I earn shall be used to provide a home, clothes to wear, and food to eat, with a bit extra to spend, that our lives be not lacking in pleasure and enjoyment, but he doth further rejoin the greatest care that we spend not greater than 7/10 of what I earn for these worthy purposes. Herein lieth the success of the plan. I must live upon this portion and never use more, nor but what I may not pay for out of this portion. Basically, this in tablet one, the Sewsbury, Alfred Sewsbury, he talk about the our salaries, and we talk the to we married to a girl home, and how much we have earned from them, that seven one seven to provide to spend in home, and bit extra to or clothes of our clothes of her. Okay. This is tablet one all about, and sorry for disturbance बीच बीच में. Okay. इसीलिए sorry. Okay. See you next another tablet number 2 बार के बारे में. Okay.